Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag free internship and courses tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get a free advanced certificate course in HPC-AI 2026. And there is a stipend is 10,000 monthly stipend for the SC, ST, women and EWS. And last date of apply for the 6th of July 2026. You can go through the step-by-step process. I will provide you then that and URL also on the description. When you will open the URL, you can find that advanced certificate course ACC in HPC. So here, high performance computing, that is the HPC, and step-by-step process I will show you there. And this course you offer to candidate belongs to SC, ST, women, EWS and general category. No registration fee and training fee charges for the any candidate. A monthly stipend of 10,000 will be provided to SC, ST, women, EWS candidate only. And evaluation and assessment will be done by the C-DAC, and blockchain-based certificate will be issued on the successful completion of this course. Access to PARAM supercomputer facility for the hands-on during the course. So major topics are covered here: operating system, shell scripting, computer network, HPC, its architecture, tools, analytics, introduction to ML, DL and OpenBino, HPC, parallel programming, OpenMP, MPI libraries, CUDA, OpenCL and OpenSC. So these are the modules they are going to cover that. And eligibility criteria is the graduate B.Tech, all branches B.Sc, IT, computer science, electronic, telecommunication, electrical and data science, AI, statistics, and BCA. Postgraduate for the ME, M.Tech, all branches M.Sc, IT, computer science, electronic, telecommunication, electrical, instrumental, data science, AI, and statistics and MCA. Candidates must have the secure 60% mark in the qualifying degree and 5% relaxation for the STSC candidate. So candidate must have completed their graduation within the last 3 years of the application date. So important dates are there. Course is start with the 20th of July. Last date of nomination is July 6, 2026. Confirmation and limitations of the selection July 10, 2026. So they will confirm an intimation on the 10th of July 2026. Training locations are, these are the locations, they are available the seats and based on the availability of the seats on the C-DAC center. Okay, so first comes first serve, you can able to see that. So now we are going to the next step. There is a, we can apply to this. So when we click this one, click here to apply. So this page will open. Here you have to provide all the details. So there is an advanced certificate course in high performance computing registration form. There is a personal detail, academic detail, preferences, document and final submit. Here you have to provide the full name, date of birth, email address, phone number, your gender, category, home state, academic eligibility details. So other details you have to fill, and C-DAC center, which center you are going to choose, and document uploads. You have to upload the document. So ID proof, category certificate, 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet, graduation certificate, post graduation certificate, and passport size photograph. And final, you have to declaration and consents and just check this checkbox and submit. So when you complete the registration, the next step is academic and preferences and documents and submit. So you have to go through the all the step-by-step process to complete this registration. When you will complete and they will select, then they will intimate on 10th of July 2026. So all the step-by-step process and other details you can find on the description. So this is for the free internship and courses tutorial, free advanced certificate course in HPC AI 2026. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe for the latest uh, videos and free courses, scholarship, internship, and career updates. So disclaimer is that this video is created for the educational and informational purpose only under the Fair Use Section 107 copyrighted 1976. All trademarks and logos belong to their respective owners. For any copyright concern, you can send me mail on the chiragmato@gmail.com. You can follow me on my social media link, that is the YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel, and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Do you have any questions? Then drop them into the comment box, and like, share, and comment, and subscribe to Chirag Mahto Official. Thank you.